Let's move on to slightly more complicated questions. My question is that the compound interest earned in the 7th year is equal to rupees 400, and the compound interest earned in the 8th year is equal to 460. Now what I am asked is find the rate of interest. Okay, first of all you need to read the question very carefully. It does not say compound interest earned after, it says earned in. So this is the compound interest exactly earned in the 7th year. So this is compound interest in the 7th year is equal to 400, and compound interest in the 8th year is equal to 460. Now in the concept video I told you that why is this, if had it been simple interest, the simple interest in the 7th year and the 8th year would have been exactly the same. So why is this more than the compound interest in 8th year? Why is it more than the compound interest in 7th year? That is because when I do the compounding, I get interest on interest, which means that compound interest in 8th year is compound interest in 7th year plus interest earned on the compound interest of 7th year. I explained this in the concept video also. So basically compound interest 8th year is equal to compound interest in 7th year plus whatever rate of interest I have into compound interest in 7th year divided by 100 or whatever, how it depends on how you take your R. So if I take the difference between these two, CI8 minus CI7, it is simply the interest on interest, that is CI7. So in this case CI8 is 460, CI7 is 400. 460 minus 400 is equal to 60 rupees is the interest that I am earning on the compound interest of the 7th year, which is 400. So you can very well calculate, it's just simple, it is 60 by 400 into 100, which is equal to 15%. But let me just again put this down in case you have not exactly followed what I am saying. So if 60 is the interest on 400, so this is just simple interest because this is 1 year now only. The difference between C8, the 8 year and 7 year is 1. 60 is equal to principal now is 400 because 60 is the interest on 400 rupees into rate of interest into time is 1 year divided by 100. So I cancel this out. My rate of interest is 60 by 4, which is equal to 15%. And this is what I get. So you shouldn't try to remember too many formulae. Many people might tell you some, you could also, that there's no harm in it, but it's better to have a conceptual understanding. The difference between the interest, compound interest of any year n and any year n plus 1. So the compound interest of any year n plus 1 is basically compound interest of year n plus rate of interest into compound interest of n. That is your formula. So you just need to take the difference of these two numbers. That gives you the interest, which is equal to R into this number, and when you divide it you get your rate of interest. This question takes you very little time, in fact just seconds to solve once you have some more practice.